welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to reset your phone to factory mode when you have received very new. At that time there was no data at all, so all your data will go, all your apps, all your word document, any data, all your data will go after doing this reset. So due to any reason, if your phone is hanging or signal is not coming properly and you have done all the things, now you are left with no option except resetting your phone to factory mode. Then you will do this. So not wasting much of your time, just go to the setting, then go to the additional setting, then go to the wake up and reset, and here factory data reset. All file and data including accounts, contacts, phone and apps, all will go. Reset your phone. Now it will tell the dangers, means what can go after resetting your phone. It will tell, and it will take some time. After that it is telling that you have to keep your data backup because all will go after doing this. So after some time this reset, that's all. The phone will now restart. It will erase all the data is being erased. It will not take much time. So now in this process it will take time. I will come back when this process will complete and the phone will be rebooted. So I think it is completed, and now it will prompt for reconfiguring your phone after factory data reset. So we will reconfigure it. It is an old phone and MIUI user interface 11 is loaded. So just reconfiguring it. Now it will set the region. It will take time. So now we will choose the keyboard. Then it will go network escape and then accept terms and conditions. Now it will skip this step. Then set up as a new. We can copy data from here. If we want to copy the data of old phone, we can do from the last screen. So now Google services, we will accept it by going down. Then all set to go. We will skip this step. Additional settings. Okay. Now it will asking to choose a theme. Okay. Then setup complete. You are ready to rock. Now it will be booted to your home screen. Apps are being loaded. Default apps are being loaded. Now home screen has come. That's all. We will clear it. Got it. And this is what I wanted to tell you, how to reset your phone and bring it to that condition when you have received it originally. That's all. This is the whole process. Thank you very much. If you liked the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.